Okay, it's Copperhead time. It's dark. As you can see, this one here is, once again, is eating something. Likely a cicada. Look around and make sure I'm not getting creeped up on by any others. Okay, let's go back here. Watch this one. This is fascinating to me. It doesn't take him that long to get it down either. It's just that's a fairly small one. 10 inches maybe, less. He got his meal. There you go. Get him down. Oh. Can't believe how much I'm sweating sitting here to get you this National Geographic moment. There, he got it down. His tongue is flicking. One more gasp. Ugh. Look at, you can see the bumps on his belly. I'm not sure what that was. He swallowed. I didn't get here in time to see it. I'm assuming it was a big cicada. Although it could have been a frog. But I'm going with cicada. Okay. Was that cool? 3 minutes. Wasn't too long. Watch him eat a bug and crawl away. Wow, look at the bumps in his belly. Wish I had a better video camera. Well, I do. GoPro. I don't have it on me. Okay. Say bye, Mr. Snaky.